You're already teaching, right? Yeah. So you're already got your teaching degree, no? Let's give her a hand, everyone. My dear students, we have so much of stories in us. Maraming storya ang nabuo mula nung kayo ay nag-start mag-aaral. I also acknowledge one student of mine here. She was working, he or she's working in Shell. Sino yun? Yes. Are you still working there?
Nakapag-resign na, sir.
Oh, yun, nag-resign na. You know, that's good. You know, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Very good. I mean, it's for everybody, but I'm just happy that those students who struggle within their life to come to the teaching degree, to go to your teaching internship, so much of hardship, no, mainit, nagkaroon pa ng concern pagdating sa demo, but still students, you have completed it. Siguro congratulatory message, wala pa naman tayo sa graduation, pero sabi nga nila, medyo malayo pa, pero malayo na kayo. Nakalayo ka na. And hopefully yung tapik hindi lamang sa iba, kundi tapik din sa sarili, na ikaw mismo sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, na proud ako kung ano ako ngayon. Could you tell it to yourself, I'm proud of you.
Proud of you.
I'm proud of myself.
Proud of myself.
Okay, huh? And I hope that the passion, the intensity of fire being a teacher doesn't stop here. Sana walang, hay, tapos na ang internship. Kasi there's more outside. The reality of being a teacher is outside. You've got the stress, you'll get more stress, people, I'll tell you. And again, congratulations to your completion. And I'm proud of everybody to what you've become right now. Thank you.